So in the model tab, I've got scenarios. So let me first only select the forecast measures. So I've got all the 4 forecast measures. This is my first scenario. Okay, so I'll say create, save it. So we are in scenario. You've got the scenario tab here. Okay, so what I would like to do is I'd like to see it in the full view mode. In the first scenario, let me say whether I can make any changes with this particular forecast, profit forecast. So, okay, we don't need this lock anymore. We go to planning or model tab and simply go to manage rules and disable this. Save it. All right. So now for scenario one, I'm going to make some changes here and I'm going to make some changes here. All right. So this is 54 million. I'll make some changes here and I'll make some changes here. Right. 51 million. That's fine. I'll duplicate this scenario, use the vertical ellipsis and say duplicate. In this scenario, I'm gonna just remove all the changes that I made here, right? And I'm gonna use optimizer here. So I'm gonna click on profit forecast. It says parent level simulation is only applicable for some aggregation. All right, this is good because scenario is something where you can make changes with the cells that are actually sum or average aggregation, right? So this is a formula aggregation, and that's why this message comes up. But that's totally fine. What we can do now is simply go to planning tab and say optimize. It still says the same message. We are fine with this. Let's go ahead and say give me 50 million. Choose all the uh, four drivers or variables. Next, let's add constraint the last time. 78 million, 80 million. Then we get 21 million and 24 million. Then we get 750K and 1.5 million. And finally, we have got 4.5 million and 9 million. Why did we do this exercise? Is because we want to actually see how scenarios can leverage optimizers. This is a very, very powerful combination in EPM exercises, in planning, in the life of a planner. And let's run this. We achieved it. So now the scenario planning capability, which was already advanced in Fabric planning, has got more capability and it has enriched its user experience in such a way that a planner can actually use optimizer while doing scenario planning at the same time. We achieved this. Let's apply. It still gives you this message that's still fine because this is the correct message. Scenarios can only be simulated when you make changes with the driver measures or input measures. That's fine. We can close this. Now you see my base measure is 47. My scenario 2 is 50. I want to take these values and move it to base. I simply go ahead and use the ellipsis and say copy to base. Let's see, scenario also has this option, copy to base. Let's do it from here. I'll say copy to base, all the 4 drivers or variables. Let's say proceed. Done. Now let's see the values. The base and the scenario 2 values are good. You can cancel the scenarios. That's totally fine. So this is a very interesting use case. It's not just your optimizer, but you're actually using optimizer with scenario planning capabilities and what if simulations.